Balitaya ko na lang!
Karima! Ay, nako!
And you choose me.
So, Ghana scene.
Ako kasi you will play Popoy, I will play Basha.
Tokyo.
Popoy is the guy, this is his name.
Oh, okay.
It's Popoy, and then the Basha is the girl.
And he talk Philippines.
Yes, Filipino Mau. Filipino Mau. What's that? Filipino Mau. Filipino, he's speaking Filipino. Yes.
Oh. Bina.
Oh, wait lang. Para dito ata napunta yung pinag-aaral ko ng 4 na taon. Okay, ready? Hindi ko sure kung ready ako na rin. Are you ready? Okay. Are we gonna make it serious or do you wanna like make it entertaining for them?
Up to you. What do you want? Serious?
Happy! Okay, let's make it serious. Let's go. I'm not gonna cry though. It's 3, 2, ako di pa yung director. And 3, 2, and action.
You had me at my best. Pinalebal mo.
Popoy. Ano ang tingin mo sa akin? I just make a choice.
You should shake my hand.
Cut! Ending! Okay, but thank you so much for